Hello everyone. We are discussing class 10 social science history part, first chapter, the partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. So we had already discussed the consequences of Swadeshi movement, and today we'll be discussing the last three key points of the chapter. The key points are Swadeshi movement and National Congress, anti-movement actions of the government, the contributions of Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement and National Congress. So at first you have to know what is National Congress. It was the first political organization of India. It was established in 1885. And some of the leaders of the organization like Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal, Ashwini Kumar Datta, Aurobindo Ghosh, etc. were able to unite the Indian people against the partition of Bengal. And the 19th annual session of Indian National Congress was held in 1903. It was held at Madras under the presidency of Lal Mohan Ghosh. In this session, National Congress warned the British government to give up the plan of partition of Bengal. And before the implementation of partition of Bengal, two leaders of National Congress, Lala Lajpat Rai and Gopal Krishna Gokhale, reached London on 6 July 1905 to give a representation on behalf of National Congress to give up the plan of partition of Bengal by the British government. Though the British government implemented the partition of Bengal, but after 6 years of Swadeshi movement, British government had to unify the Bengal province. And the unification of Bengal occurred in 1911. And the big incident of unification of Bengal gave an opportunity to the Indian people to be united for freedom and self-government. And in the whole process, Indian National Congress being the central force. Okay, so it was about Swadeshi movement and National Congress. Okay, next key point is anti-movement actions of the government. The British government tried to suppress the Swadeshi movement and they expected support from some Congress leaders in the issue of partition of Bengal. And therefore, Lord Curzon offered the leaders various titles, posts, medals, honors, etc. They were offered the post of judges in High Court, member of British Parliament, member in Viceroy's Council, etc. But in spite of all of these, Lord Curzon failed to gain the support. Some of the leaders like Surendranath Banerjee, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, they were against the partition of Bengal and they set the government into a trap. Okay, and one important thing is here, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, they were togetherly called as Lal Bal Pal. Okay, and Bipin Chandra Pal urged every leader to give up and return the titles, posts and honors which were offered by the British government. As a result, Gopal Krishna Gokhale returned the knighthood title to the British government. Okay, so it is about the anti-movement actions of the government. Next key point is the contribution of Swadeshi movement. So how the Swadeshi movement contributed towards India? At first, Swadeshi movement gave the Indians a political knowledge regarding mass movement. The Indians realized the importance of the mass movement. Okay. And secondly, what happened? The National Congress from its inception believed in peaceful demand to the British government for the development of India. But The Swadeshi movement made them realize that the progress of India is possible only through mass struggle. Number 3 is, as a result of Swadeshi movement, economic and industrial development happened in India through the establishment of local industries. Number 4 is, the Indians got the privilege to demand for Swaraj through the Swadeshi movement. And the Swadeshi movement also created the sense of nationalism among the minds of Indian people. So the Indian National Congress was compelled for the first time to take the proposal for demanding Swaraj in its Calcutta session in 1906 under the presidency of Dadabhai Naoroji. And the next contribution is, Swadeshi movement encouraged the women to be involved in mass movement. Okay. So number 6 is, the Swadeshi movement also gave birth to armed movement. The tendency to resort to violent method occurred in some section of activists. Okay. So it was about the contribution of Swadeshi movement. So dear students, we have already finished our discussion about the chapter, the partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. So I have written some question answers on the board. Number 1 is, who presided over the 19th annual session of Indian National Congress? The answer is Lal Mohan Ghosh. Number 2 is, who were regarded as Lal Bal Pal? Answer is Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. So dear students, we have already finished our discussion of the chapter, the partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. I hope you have understood what I have taught. You have listened everything carefully and attentively. And in your next classes, I will be giving you the question answers from the exercise. Okay. So now I have to leave you. Thank you.